Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super handy: setting up Zelle with your US bank account. If you're tired of writing checks or waiting for transfers, Zelle is a game changer. It's a fast, secure way to send and receive money right from your phone. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or paying a family member, this setup will make your life easier. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a US bank account. If you don't, you'll need to open one through their website or app. Once that's sorted, download the US Bank mobile app from your phone's app store. It's free and user-friendly. Open the app and log in with your credentials. If you're new, follow the prompts to create a secure login. Now, head to the main dashboard and look for the Payments or Transfers section. That's where Zelle usually hides. Tap on it, and you should see an option to enroll in Zelle. Click that, and it'll guide you through a quick setup process. You'll need to verify your email or phone number, so have that ready. Zelle will send a confirmation code. Enter it to link your account. After verification, you can add a profile picture and set up your preferred payment methods. That's it, you're all set to send money. Just search for a contact's email or phone number, enter the amount, and boom, money sent in minutes. One quick tip: always double-check the recipient's details to avoid mistakes. And remember, Zelle is linked to your bank, so transactions are protected. If you run into any issues, US Bank's customer support is there to help. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you next time.